Yes. I Pastor Slackness again. And me come here with the part 2. Me say me come here with the part 2. I be things I want in Jamaica. Me used to Tony Mataran. I lie down in a bed. I put on wig. I call Bounty Killer. You come do what? You come do what, church?
Eat
come
him.
Do what?
Eat
come
him.
What? Come what?
Eat him.
Eat him.
Yes.
What kind of thing that? What kind of thing that? Man a eat, man a bed. I bat him and thing. Sorry, father, I'm never talk. I bat him and thing that. They sitting at one in Jamaica. You see how the baddest selector foot I get boxed in blood. Say get boxed in blood. Hey, we can't talk the things them this. You see the news name for shows a gun. You know much gun I walk on. You know much gun my daddy buy me. You know much gun my as much gun my mother buy me. As much gun me mash up. As much gun mouth me shoot me kick out. Eh? As so much gun mouth me kick out. Jesus Christ, we didn't get them things from. Me I go stop wear shoes. Me dey on earth too much years. I never know say the new name for shoes are gun. I better just leg on the man. Them not nothing against the man. Just leg on the man. Dance all again. Yes, the other day me dey on YouTube. And me see a song with Demarco and the girl me ride off him Jackie. And me see what I be too high. We see, the girl a lick out the girl butt. No, that never go on. You see girl with girl head between girl foot. Jesus, girl head between girl foot. And what is dance I come to? Me see a video on Facebook. This brother named RickyCarty upload it. You see him, I shot 3 chicks on a black girl. I shot the 3 chicks on a black girl. All 3 chicks like you know why me know say 3 chicks? She didn't even a ball. She didn't even a screw. And from look on the girl, me say she hungry. I be a white girl. I'm Sister Pam.
Yes.
Sister Pam.
Yes, Pastor Slackness.
I hope you don't tell him to me I give the anaconda on my veranda.
Yes.
And if you ever inform, me I go kick it in East of August.
That's right.
Me hear a new song. I break that talk about him and girl big body for wind up in her face. And nastiness that. Him a talk about him and girl wind in her face. Listen me didn't even want a girl looking at my face. Me didn't even want a girl put them breasts in my face. Cause down there some man a swing their waist. Me didn't even want a girl hand on my face. Me didn't even want a girl hopping on my face. The other day me dey on Facebook and me see a video with a white boy and a white girl. The man jab back him body way back so. Let it go and dismantle the girl face. And that's why me have rape in him, man. Cause what? No girl can see the bomb me head. If a girl try that shit. A church me. What? Me can't turn on no more. Me can't turn out no more. Jamaica turn Freaky Island. Pop me bag. Me I go pop the suitcase. And guess what? The place I turn freaky. Me I go cut. Me I go America. Pop me bag. Wait. America they free them there. Me now go this. Send me back to Africa. Me I go back to Africa. Kevin too crazy. Africa we say. Africa. Before me cut, I cut the offering. They can do it today. Come here, oh, you see this? Philipson wants some Shearer.
Yes,
wants some man.
Yes,
Shearer, man. Hold up on me, penis sister. Hold up on me, penis sister. Penis sister. Hey. Hold up on me, penis sister. Hold up on me, penis sister. Hold up on me, penis.
This bomb give it $1,000.
Hold up on me, sister, penis. Hold up on me, penis, sister. Hold up on me, penis, sister. Hold up on me, penis, sister. I mean your pastor Slackness, sister. I mean your pastor.
Subscribe.
Overdo it.
And share the video.
Yeah, you know it's the boy JnelComedy. So if you like the video, just watch a while ago, you know what I mean? Just share it. So if you're new to the YouTube link, if you're new to the YouTube, just simple as leave a subscription and to see the updates of any video that's out there. So and we start the video shoot now. You see the video, see what they upload on our YouTube channel. And the intricate PhD song named Toolmaker. Yeah, we shoot that one. Great things. Just look out all my videos from here, like, share with the
right now, you got the glow, girl, you got the glow. You hold me, so me not know if you go. You make me get up and me never sit down.